Hi, Larry here at Chesapeake RV Solutions. RV Solutions for RVers, by RVers, and this is why we have the word solutions in our name. So come down and see us. And today we actually got a new delivery, and this is a Kodiak by Dutchmen RV. And this is actually an Ultimate, so it's the Mac Daddy brand. And this is going to be a 3371 front living. Now, starting here at the door, it does have one of them glass doors, which are very nice, and then the extended grab handle, and it does have the solid steps, which is by Lippert. And again, we do like the way the adjustment is now on the side with that little handle. And Kodiak bare cage construction, aluminum frame all the way around. You got that composite hyperdeck flooring, and this is an all-season unit. And you can tell there's toppers on the slides. Dutchmen RV. Oh, electric stabilizers. One thing, being this far back, you can see the main awning. Man, that just barely clears that slide, but it does. I had it out earlier. And looking at the back end now, it does come prepped for that collapsible Lippert ladder. Your spare tires on the back as well. And this is one of the things they mean by all season, if I can find the tanks. Cold weather camping, not an issue. You do have a heated underbelly that's covered, and your gate valves are actually in the underbelly. Now, looking at the rear storage, and this is from the outside, but it's underneath the bed, and as you can tell, it can't go all the way through, so you have storage on the inside as well underneath the bed. And you got the nice aluminum rims. And again, super slide with the slide topper. Like the size of those windows as well. Coming on the front side, you see the electric tongue jack, 2 20-pound tanks of propane. And this actually does have a solar panel on the top and battery disconnect. Like all Dutchmen RVs, has a 3-year structural warranty. Little cubby hole in the front. See your inverter prep, your light switches for the front cap, and your jacks. Let's see what's in this door. Oh, nice. Comes with a TV already on the outside. Nice and secure underneath the door. A little dorm fridge. Place for snacks or towels or whatever. And you got that channel rail, the C-track. Hold your flat top griddle. Wow. Don't you love that? You got the couch right in the front. You got that window above your head. Just imagine sitting at a campsite watching everybody go by, waving to them as well. But wow. 40-inch TV. You got a speaker there. That's actually detachable. You can take that outside. And of course, your electric fireplace. Puts out about 5,000 BTU. Got power on either side of the sofa. 2 recliners on this side. But have you seen this? A table with no knee buster. It's all cantilevered from over the side. So, my goodness, I like this with no knee buster. He had a island kitchen. Oh wow, prep space galore. Plus, you got the counter. And you got this coffee bar here. And you can throw a buffet in here. Now this unit has to be probably 37 foot. You got 2 ACs. I do like the above the kitchen island lights. That's a farm sink. Do like that handle as well. It's a sprayer as well. On-demand water heater. I can see the switch for it up here. Now let's check out the bathroom. They do have that backlit vanity or medicine cabinet. Nice sink, a little small, but still you can wash your hands, brush your teeth. Nice size cabinet below. This is the only, this shower is tall enough for somebody like me that's under 6 foot. But I can't see somebody that's 6'4" in that shower being real comfortable. But there's your porcelain toilet, not in a bad spot as well. Oh, by the way, those are motion sensor lights, so they turn off automatically. Like I mentioned outside, that's another slide. And I like that headboard back in the back. But this is a king-size bed. You do have storage underneath the bed again. But here, you have a little dresser, plus another fireplace. Nice size window. You can mount a TV in here, but you can put it on the thermofoil countertop. Nice size window in the back. But look at this. It is prepped for a washer and dryer. That is too cool. Let's see how big the underbed storage is. Wow, that's pretty good size. Yes, your griddle down there. What's this? Oh, it's pre-seasoned now. Yeah, those things tend to get a little rusty if they're not seasoned beforehand. But that's a nice amount of storage. Now behind that back wall, that's your outside storage as well.